Welcome to the demonstration video for the new filing service for excise returns on Revenue's online service, ROS. This video will show Forecourt retailers how to make returns online. You will log into ROS in the usual manner by selecting your digital certificate and entering your password below. This brings you to the My Services page, where you can choose the details of the return you wish to make. To make a return, firstly, click on the Tax Type drop-down menu and select Excise License. Then, on the Return Type drop-down menu, select ROM1 Return for return of oil movement. Click on the button File Return to proceed to the next page. This brings you to the Retrieve Saved Data option. Here you are provided with a list of previously saved ROM1 returns. You can either edit, sign, or delete the saved items, or proceed with a new return. You are now at the General Details page. Here you must enter your auto fuel or marked fuel license numbers in the box provided. In this case, the user trades in both, so enter both auto fuel and marked fuel license numbers. Then you must select the month and the year of the return that you wish to make. Now select the trader type that relates to the license number or numbers that you entered. In this case, we will be choosing Forecourt Retailer. At any point during the process, you can click back to go to the My Services page. Click Next to proceed to the next page. This brings you to the Product Balances page. Here you will enter stock details for each product for which you are licensed for the period of the return. You must enter an amount in litres in the columns for opening balance, closing balance, and aggregate Forecourt sales. If you have no amounts to enter under a specific oil product type, then you must enter a 0 in the boxes provided. Once this has been completed, click Continue to proceed to the next page. You are now at the Inward Movements page. Here you must enter the details of each movement of duty paid oil product during the period of this return. To add a new supplier reference, click Add a new supplier reference on the right-hand side of the screen. As this example is an in-state movement, check Yes for in-state movement. Enter the supplier's excise license number in the box provided. If you do not know the supplier's excise license number, you may check the Not Known box. A full list of all current licensed mineral oil traders is available on Revenue's website www.revenue.ie. This produces new fields that you must fill in, including VAT number, supplier name, and supplier address. When you have filled in the appropriate boxes, click Add Supplier Reference to add that supplier. The supplier will now appear in the supplier list at the bottom of your screen. This data will be available for subsequent returns, and new suppliers can be added at any time. In this example, we will add suppliers for both auto fuel and marked fuel. Once this is completed, click Back to Inward Movements to complete the Inward Movements page. Select the supplier from the drop-down menu provided. Now select the product that you wish to account for. Now enter a quantity of the movement and click on Add Inward Movement. For marked fuel traders, you must also enter a date and invoice number of the movement. Each movement you enter now appears in the Inward Movements details list at the bottom of your screen. In this list, you can edit or delete any entry you have made. Once this process is complete, click Continue to proceed. You are now at the Summary Details page. Here you can review all the entries you have made in the return before submitting. Once you are satisfied that all the information is correct, click Submit to submit your ROM1 return. Your return is now ready to be transmitted. If you wish to return to the previous page, click Back. You may sign and submit your return by entering your password in the box provided and clicking Sign and Submit. You have now completed your ROM1 return. The tab Revenue Record shows all previous returns submitted. Your customer profile can be viewed at the Customer Profile tab. The Work in Progress tab contains all returns not yet submitted and awaiting further action.